Hi guys, it's Shell, Sunbury Housewives. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to our channel, we would love it if you would hit the subscribe button to see more videos. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Today I am working on yet another sublimation project. This is actually makeup remover wipes, reusable ones. These are microfiber cloths I got through Amazon. I'll put the link to this product in the description box below. Please excuse my voice as I have a cold / sinus something going on. So I'm going to do my best to not sound ridiculous. So what I did is I printed out the images that I wanted. I have all of these saved for the upcoming girls trip projects that I'm working on. So I went ahead and just printed it out to the size that I need. And I'm taping the makeup wipe to the paper using my heat resistant tape. Make sure that it's lined up, of course. So once that's all lined up, I had to work with each of these cloths were not the exact same size, so I had to kind of work with each of them, but I got it to work. So once it was attached, I went and took it over to my heat press that was set at 400 degrees for 40 seconds. And when it was done, I brought it over to my desk and removed it from there. Look how beautiful this looks. And it's permanent. You can wash it. You can wash your face with it. It's not going to come off on your face. It's just, sublimation is so interesting to me. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So now I need to do the other side. So I had my other image printed out as well. Obviously, I wasn't ready for it. Here it is. So, no, I'm going to show you. Look how this is. It's very lush, but it's pressed down because of the heat press. But you can see it's in there permanently. So, okay, now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm just lining it up, doing the same thing that I did the first time. Now, you can see where there was just a little bit of a white spot. You're not going to get every single inch of this because of the folds. So, I mean, that doesn't bother me. So I'm going to do the same thing and send it back over to my heat press, set at 400 degrees, and press for 40 seconds again once I get this side done. And we're back with the other side. So I go ahead and I'm using that piece of paper to make sure that I catch all the ink from the overhang of it all, because I don't want to mess up my heat press. Like I said before in a previous tutorial, it will transfer to other projects that you do in the future. So you want to make sure to protect your heat press at all times. So I go ahead and remove this and remove all of the tape. And look how beautiful this is looking. It's so vibrant. It turned out so stunning. It looks like something you'd buy, like, I don't know, at a store. Right there's where I'm telling you, you're not going to get all the pieces because of the folds and stuff. So it's fine. Now I'm going to show you. I lined up each side to make sure that it would match. So it looks like one continuous piece. That's just my OCD part of my crafting. And here they all are. I got all this project done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And the best thing about these makeup wipes, you don't need anything but water. It's perfect. You just toss them in the washing machine when you're done. But thank you for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.